If you want to enter data engineering, there is one skill you simply cannot skip. It is not Python, it is not Spark, it is SQL. If you want to learn SQL but feel confused about where to start, what to learn, and how much is actually needed for jobs, this series is for you. Today, we launch the TechThriveX SQL Masterclass, a step-by-step journey from what is it able to advanced window functions. Let's build your foundation. On this channel, I help you upgrade your tech skills step by step in a simple and practical way. Over the next few weeks, I'll take you through a complete SQL series designed specifically for the modern data stack. We are not just writing queries. We are preparing you for PySpark, Databricks, and Azure Data Factory. Here comes our SQL Masterclass curriculum. We start with fundamentals of SQL and move on with data integrity, filtering, aggregations, joins, advanced querying, hierarchies, programmability, performance tuning, and database intelligence. Why you guys need to follow this series? We use the house analogy to make complex concepts stick into your mind. We use real world code with actual data scenarios. We also help you prepare for interviews. We give practice tasks and some interview questions about what we learned today. This is not just a SQL course, it is the foundation phase. Once we finish this series, we will move immediately into PySpark, Databricks, and Azure Data Factory. We are building a complete data engineering path right here. By the time we are done, you won't just know SQL, you will know how to move data to the cloud. If you are serious about upgrading your career in 2026, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon. Don't miss episode 1, where we break down the SQL Trinity, DML, DDL, and DQL. Check the description for the full roadmap. It's time to grow beyond your limits. See you in the first lesson.